Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Robinhood for beginners. First, you will need to open and fund your brokerage account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Robinhood offers commission-free trading, making it accessible for new investors. We'll cover the essential steps to get started, from setting up your profile to understanding the basic interface. This foundational knowledge is crucial for navigating the platform effectively and beginning your investment journey with confidence. A primary way to make money on Robinhood is by investing in stocks and exchange-traded funds, or ETF. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while ETFs are baskets of various investments, offering instant diversification. For example, an S&P 500 ETF tracks 500 large U.S. companies. Focus on buying shares in companies with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. This strategy often yields more consistent returns than trying to time the market. Beyond stocks, Robinhood also allows trading in options and cryptocurrencies. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. While they offer potential for significant gains, they also carry substantial risk and require careful study. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly volatile digital assets. It is wise to invest only a small percentage, perhaps 5 to 10%, of your portfolio in these more speculative assets. Effective risk management is key to making money consistently. Diversify your portfolio across various sectors and asset types to mitigate potential losses. Reinvesting any dividends you receive can significantly compound your returns over many years, turning small amounts into substantial wealth. For instance, a 5% annual return on $1,000 becomes over $1,600 in 10 years with reinvestment. Regularly review your investments and adjust your strategy as your financial goals evolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.